Hello everybody, welcome to Vicki's Journey. I hope you all are having a good day today, because I am. So let's start off with what it's about. We're doing a face mask. Today's face mask is Love's Recipe, AcaiBerry. It's supposed to tighten and firm your skin. So we're going to see if it really works. So stay tuned and we will see if it works. But in the meantime, let's talk a little bit about myself. I am a retired hairstylist and I want to get to know everybody. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I am a retired hairstylist and I will be doing a little bit on the beauty end of my channel with some recipes to help the hair. And we're going to be talking about hair thinning. I am dealing with hair thinning from 5 and weight loss. I have a lot of thin hair up in this area, so you're going to be following me with the journey of vitamins. So pretty soon you'll be seeing me do a post about vitamins to help the hair. So we're going to see which vitamins is going to help. So if anybody has any vitamins that actually help, send me some comments and post and let me know which ones help before I start paying into certain vitamins and we do the trial. So that's what's going to be ahead on some future videos. But if you have any videos that you would like me to do, hit me up. I'd love to hear about it. And I'd like to do a question and answer video, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Or if there's anything you have that you would like to know about me or anything that I've done, let me know on that also. I'd love to hear from you guys. So let's get back to the video. Talk to you soon. Welcome back. Well, I put on my face mask. This face mask is supposed to firm up and tighten, plus do all the other stuff. Which, as we age, we need some tightening. And again, I know I need some tightening as I've lost weight. My face has always been oily, but that's always been oily, and that's why I look young for my age. People have always thought I've looked in my 20s, which I don't. I'm 52 years old. Which, as I've lost weight, it's caused my skin to wrinkle, so I'm sure I'm catching up to my age. If there's any videos you would like me to do on beauty or any questions you may have in the cosmetology field. I've been a hairdresser for over 25 years. And then I had to retire because I had fibromyalgia. So I would sure love to hear from you guys. I would like to do a questions and answer video. So if you guys have any questions and answers or anything you would like to know about me, just hit me up. The thing about this mask, it is very wet. So, let me finish this up and I'll get right back to you guys. Hello everybody. Back. Well, my personal review of this is crap. It didn't tighten my skin, maybe a tiny bit, but it's not what I expected, so I personally wouldn't buy it again. But it was free, so no loss there. But if you want to try it, go over to Ipsy and order you some. That was my personal review, but I had them on hand, so I tried them and wanted to give you guys a tidbit about it, so I give you a tidbit. But if you guys have any really good masks, give me a little comment and let me know what a really good mask is. I would try it and give my personal opinion on it. And I really like to have one on firm. I have lost 80 some pounds and I got a lot of wrinkles. A lot of wrinkles from weight loss. And I'd like to know how to firm up my skin. I got them on my thighs besides surgery. So let's chat. Subscribe. I like to hear from everybody.